Hi guys, this is Danish Anwar. Welcome to our GreenData low-code platform studio. As I mentioned earlier, we have published a recent article on low-code platform versus no-code platform. Our company CEO Andrew Arkhipov, he's himself written this article and his insight. And it's our privilege that today we have a special guest, Mr. Andrew Arkhipov. He's been working in this industry for almost 20 years, and let's figure it out, his experience, his understanding of what's going on in this market, and a little bit information, like a brief understanding about his article which he's recently published. And frankly speaking, I loved what he mentioned. He actually differentiated and he gave a complete understanding just to avoid the confusions and the fake technology what is available in the market. So let's try to find out. So Andre, thank you very much to coming here. How are you doing today?
Thanks. I'm doing great. Thank you, Danish, for having me.
My pleasure. Thank you very much. So Andre, I'll go straight to the questions. To be honest, just to be very quick. There's a massive debate on low-code platform and no-code platform technology. And as a CEO at GreenData company, how do you see yourself in this debate?
In most cases, two questions arise in these debates. Is it possible to make a really complex application on no-code platform? And whether it is possible to do something useful without programmers using only low-code?
Oh, I see. Okay. So, there is a lot of misleading informations or some kind of like a different kind of understanding. What I'm trying to say is in the market, those companies who are not really low-code platform, based on real low-code platform technology, but they themselves market as a low-code platform. So I'm just trying to understand, what do you think, why these companies market themselves as a low-code platform technology, though they aren't?
This is all because popularity of low-code. No one wants to buy just a box with limited functionality. Everyone wants to add their own unique features to the product.
I see.
For example, if you bought a CRM system, then you want to add some workflow, add some analytics, make personal account for your customers, and many other things like that. So if you just say I have CRM, no one will run to buy it right away. But if you say I have low-code platform, it sounds much attractive.
Understand. Smart marketing. Just follow the trends, no matter what technology you use in real background. First, just use the trend and get the more attention. Exactly. I see. Oh, that's cool. But sometimes it's not really, I would say honest marketing. It's something they're just following the trend and creating some kind of misunderstanding and confusions. People are getting confused between choosing which one they should choose, low code and low code. So yeah. But is it possible, as I see that when there are a lot of companies, as you mentioned, a lot of companies are following the trends and they just marketing themselves. So how the clients can differentiate, how they can choose, how they can differentiate between low-code platform and no-code platform technology? How to choose that one?
There are several sites that indicate you have a genuine low-code. First, all business logics are described in simple algorithmic language. It's different from platform development language.
I see.
No Java, no C++.
I see. Okay, cool.
Second, there is no need to create relational model.
No.
If keys, indexes, constraints, the platform should do it by itself according to object description. And finally, platform must cover all aspects of development. She should allow implementing all functions of modern corporate application.
I see.
Workflow, reporting, integration, and so on.
I see. So it means based on your key points that you just mentioned, the clients can easily figure it out that what they need and how they can differentiate between a low code and no code, and they can choose the right technology and right companies who really can provide the solutions. I see. Yeah, so these are the key points. Always the client should be always look forward, to take earlier in the background. I see. Cool. But I'll just go, to be honest, very straightforward questions. And the main question. Let's come back to the main question. I see that you have your own low-code platform technology that you use at GreenData company. How can you convince? How can you really prove, or you can say that your low-code platform technology is really genuine, it's really true low-code, which we call that you branding yourself that your technology is a true low-code technology, no low-code, no code, it's true low-code. So that's interesting. But how really is it really solve the real problems in the market, and is it really true in genuine?
GreenData is object-oriented platform. It's designed for system analysts. They can easily create objects of any complexity with user interface and ready API to access for external systems. In a base, the GreenData platform contains BPM engine, reporting tools, calculation, blog integration, and so on. So you can easily create really complex application without requiring any programming competences from end users.
I see. And though it is a low code, not no code.
It is low code.
Yeah, that's cool, because when I was just myself doing the research of low code technology, and there's as I said, there's some confusion. People say, oh, you're using low code, so you need to use a programmer, coding, stuff like that. Or if you just go to the no code, it will be not that much effective for the complex work. But here you are mentioning a true low code technology that really don't need programmer or coding. I see.
There is very easy language for describing.
And at the same time, it's very easy. Yeah, that's cool. Listen, because I have personally read many articles from different companies who promote themselves as a low code or no code, but they have a really different understanding, and you are telling us something different, somehow a bit giving more real understanding of the low code platform, not just low code or hash or slash no code. Some companies writing like this, or some companies writing choose low code, or if you need this, choose no code if you need this. But you are talking about the true low code, that you can really use this platform for complex work or simple work, depending the client's need. It's it has all capacity to implement projects.
We don't like this separation.
Yeah.
We are talking about true low code.
True low code. Okay, cool. No separation, no code, no low code, but true low code. Cool, impressive. So, listen, frankly speaking, I don't have any questions, because the more technical part, I would say it's difficult for me to understand if I even ask you questions. So I will just end up this interview for now. And I really want to thank you again, just for joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah, and hopefully our audience will like our interviews. Maybe they will get a good insight, and before choosing the low code and true low code or no code platform, they could read this article, and he can really find all the questions that he had answer to all the questions that he had in his own mind. So thank you very much for now, and stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.